So we saw some functions under Panda series. So we'll move forward with some more functions. So there are two functions LOC and ILOC. So let us see how it is different. Okay, with example. So here we have created a series and we are displaying the series. Okay, then print s.loc. I have written within square bracket colon 2, then close bracket. Okay, colon and 2. So that means first part is left empty, then colon, then 2 is written. So let us see only this, what will be the output of this. Okay, so if I run this, I'll close this. So we'll run from the beginning. Yeah, you can see. So this is what our program is. The output is like this. So what happens is series is displayed. That is 10, 20, 30, 40. All these are series values with index is displayed. That is first line, first part. Second part, s colon s dot loc colon 2. So what happens is, so first part is left blank. That means starting index is left blank. Then 2, 0, 1, 2. So remember here in other example previously we have seen the upper limit was not included. Now in LOC it includes the upper limit also. So 0, 1, 2, 3 rows are displayed, correct? So let us add one more line to this. Now we'll see the output of this. So LOC function is used to extract based on the location, and location is with its index values. For example, the first example is displayed as, that is complete series is displayed. Next we displayed the colon 2 2, that means starting index is from 0 0, by default it is 0 0 to 2 0 1 2 3 rows are displayed. Next one is 1 colon 2 is written, that means starting from 1 index to 2. So this is how it is displayed. Clear? So now let us see another example where we use ILOC. Okay, so location of index location. Now ILOC is index. Okay, so here what is the difference? Similarly we wrote, but only thing is we replaced LOC with ILOC. So now what is the change here? Let us note down. Close this and run once again. This is our program. So output is, so series is displayed. So colon, so with the ILOC I wrote colon and 2. So starting index is not mentioned. That means it starts from 0, but upper limit is 2. 2 is not included here. So 0 and 1 is only displayed. Similarly ILOC, the 1 colon 2 is written. That means we displayed only 1. 2 is not taken. So in LOC we saw the upper limit is also included, but here upper limit is not included. In LOC upper limit is included, and in ILOC it is not included. Here ILOC is based on the index, that is same method what we follow in list while slicing using the index. Same manner it is followed here. Okay, so let us see the next example. So till now we saw some examples on series. Now let us see data frame. So we'll create a data frame from dictionary. So how to create a data frame from dictionary we'll see. Starting with the import statement, we wrote import pandas as pd, then d equal to, within flower bracket we wrote roll number as a key, colon, then specified by a list of numbers. So roll numbers as a list. So here roll number, name and mark are keys, and then values, list of values are given. So dictionary is ready. From the dictionary we created a data frame. So how to create a data frame? pd dot data frame, and within bracket is was the dictionary. So here remember D and F is capital. So same as series, the same method we follow here. Only thing is we need to write data frame instead of series. So this is a simple series. Let us run this. It will just close this and run. Yes. So you can now see here the key values, roll number, name and mark are considered as the keys, that is column headings. Values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and Ajay all and their marks. So these, that's how it is displayed here. So here we have not specified any index, so by default the default index is displayed. So this is how data frame works. Okay, now with the data frame we'll pass index value also. Okay, we'll see the next example. Now, so data frame is created. Along with that I am passing index value student1 and student2. Okay, so let us see the result. Same as previous example, I just passed index values. So roll number, name and mark, and sorry, name, mark, class. Okay, I've taken one more field here. So index. So earlier example we saw 0, 1, 2, 3 was the index. Now student 1 and student 2 I have passed as index. So it will take those values are as index. Clear? Followed? So we saw creating data frame with the index and without index. Now in case I want to add a new column. Okay. So what I can do is I can write STL equal to, I want a common value for all. So let us see how it works. Yes. So this was the original data frame. Now one more column is added with same values. In case a different value you want, then you specify with the different list of values, just like how we assigned here. Okay. Now we'll add some more things to this. Now I want to modify a particular element of the data frame. So what I can do is, to the same one I am going to add something extra. So s dot at student1 comma tel, that means student 1's telephone column I want to modify with these values. Let us see now how it works. Okay, so here in the beginning I displayed a data frame, then I displayed a data frame by entering a new column tel. So here it was same values for both the rows. Now I modified student 1's telephone number, I modified. So here you can see 300 So student 1's telephone number is modified. So I used s dot at. You have seen that at function. Now what it does, it is to go to a particular location of the data frame, that is the intersection of a row and column is can be called as a cell. So particular cell you want to change, then you can use this method at function. Okay, next you see one more example, that LOC function we saw with the series. So we can see one more time here with the data frames. So we have an import statement here in the beginning, then we created a dictionary, then we have created a data frame. So data frame, let us display the data frame also. So data frame is displayed. Then print s.loc. I have written nothing here, colon empty. So empty colon empty, that means this is to specify the rows. The second part is to specify the columns. So row from beginning to till the end, and column only mark column I want to display. Okay, let me remove the last line. Now just let us see the output first, then we'll add it. So here one more time I'll close this and then run. So here in this case is wrong. Okay, spelling is wrong. Okay, now let us see. You can see the output here. So data frame is displayed here. Then s.loc space colon space, that means the rows, all the rows I want from beginning to ending. So I can specify like this, but I want only mark column, so I can just write mark here, so I can get only the mark column here. Okay, so similarly I will add one more line. So here I wrote s.loc 1 colon 3 comma roll number colon name, that means 1 2 3 and roll number to name. Okay, let us see the output. We close this and see the output. So here, so data frame is displayed. Then we displayed all rows with only mark column, that is displayed. Then 1 2 3. So here you can see 1 2 3 with roll number and name, roll number and name. So mark column is not displayed, so we have specified only specified columns. So first part is for referring the rows, second part is for referring the columns. Is it clear? So when you are using LOC, you can specify. Here it is index is not specified, so default to index values will be taken. In case we specify the index, and specified index names values should be used. In case of ILOC, you should use the index numbers. So here the index value is same as index because we have not specified any index, so default index will be taken. So ILOC will be based on index and LOC based on the values or location of that particular index. Is it clear? So I hope you are clear with these basic concepts. We'll see some more things. So we have seen how to install Python, how to install pandas, then working with pandas. So when you are working with pandas, what you need to import first, then how to create a series, how to create data frames with some functions we have seen, and some more functions we'll see in coming sessions. I hope you are clear with this. Thank you.